How to use Google Analytics for marketing in 2024. Step-by-step guide. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on using Google Analytics for marketing in 2024. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started and make the most of this powerful tool to enhance your marketing strategies. Setting up Google Analytics. First, let's set up Google Analytics for your website. Sign in to your Google Analytics account, or create one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, click on the Admin tab at the bottom left. Select Create Account and follow the prompts to set up your new account, property, and view. Make sure to install the tracking code on every page of your website to start collecting data. Navigating the dashboard. Now that your account is set up, let's explore the Google Analytics dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your website's performance, including user sessions, bounce rate, and average session duration. You can customize the dashboard to display the most relevant metrics for your marketing goals. Understanding key metrics. Understanding key metrics is crucial for effective marketing. Focus on user behavior metrics such as page views, average session duration, and bounce rate. Analyze the source/medium report to see where your traffic is coming from and identify your top-performing channels. Setting up goals. Next, set up goals to track specific actions on your website. Go to the Admin tab, select Goals under the View column, and click on New Goal. You can choose from predefined templates or create custom goals based on your marketing objectives. Goals help you measure conversions and understand user interactions better. Utilizing audience insights. Leverage audience insights to tailor your marketing campaigns. Explore demographic data, interests, and geographic locations of your users under the Audience section. This information helps you create targeted marketing strategies that resonate with your audience. Creating custom reports. Create custom reports to get deeper insights into your data. Go to the Customization tab and click on Custom Reports. You can choose specific dimensions and metrics to include in your report, making it easier to analyze the data that matters most to your marketing efforts. Using Google Analytics for campaign tracking. Use Google Analytics to track the performance of your marketing campaigns. Create custom URLs with UTM parameters to monitor traffic from specific campaigns. Analyze the campaign data under the Acquisition section to see which campaigns are driving the most traffic and conversions. Leveraging real-time data. Take advantage of real-time data to monitor active users on your site. This feature helps you understand the immediate impact of your marketing efforts and allows you to make quick adjustments if needed. Conclusion. In conclusion, Google Analytics is an essential tool for marketers in 2024. By understanding how to set it up, navigate the dashboard, and utilize its features, you can gain valuable insights into your audience and optimize your marketing strategies. Start exploring Google Analytics today and take your marketing to the next level.